आज हम करेंगे चैप्टर 13 मनी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव jump start exercise over here. Here it's written tick 20 rupees. This is sign for the rupees. Okay, ये किसका साइन होता है? रुपीज़ का. So we have to take 20 rupees and 50 rupees notes. हमने क्या करना है? टिक करना है 20 rupees के नोट को and 50 rupees के नोट को. Okay, then circle rupees 1 and rupees 2 coin. Okay, so first of all we'll do the tick mark 20 and 50 rupees के नोट को. So if you can see here we have, this is 5 rupees na, this is of 5 rupees note. Okay, so we have not to take, we have to only take 20 and 50. So here it is 1 rupee coin, here it is 10 rupee coin, and this is the 20 rupees. Okay, so we will take the 20 rupees note. Then this is 10 rupee, this is 100 rupees. So we don't have to take 100 rupees note na, because we have to take only 20 and 50. This is 2 rupee coin, this is 1 rupee coin, this is 10 rupees, this is 2, this is 1, and this is 50. See, this is 50. These are new notes. Okay, so we'll take this. Again this is 200. Okay, and this is 5, this is 5 again, this is 10, this is 20. Okay, so we have to take also this one, then this one. So it's done. Now we have to circle rupees 1 coin and rupees 2 coin. So I can identify easily, this is the rupees 1 coin, this is rupees 1 coin, and this is rupees 2 coin, this is rupees 1 coin, and this one also, this one also. No, this is 5 rupees coin na? And this is also 5. So I have done the exercise. Let's see the question number 2. Write the symbols of the Indian rupee. So Indian rupee का symbol क्या होता है? First you have to write र रस्सी. र रस्सी होता है ना, फिर उसके ऊपर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन लगाते हो आप, देन 1 more स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके, र रस्सी बना के उसमें 2 स्लीपिंग लाइन्स आपने ऊपर से लगानी. सो दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ इंडियन rupee. Okay, so let's see the third one. Here 10 rupees, this is 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. So how many? 10 plus 5, that is 15. 15 plus 2, that is 17. 17 plus 1, that is 18. So we'll write here 18. Okay, so the task for you for today is you have to make the different this symbols of other countries also. Okay, आपको क्या करना है? other countries के, other country के currency, अदर कंट्री के करेंसी के जो सिम्बल्स हैं वो भी आपको राइट करने हैं इन योर नोटबुक, एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट इफ़ यू कैन फाइंड दीज नोट्स. आप इनके नोट्स की फ़ोटो कॉपी आपको मिलते हैं या डुप्लीकेट मिलते हैं, सो यू कैन पेस्ट इट इन योर नोटबुक. और अगर आप पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो दैट विल बी द बेस्ट. ओके, सो दिस विल बी योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे, दैट you have to make all the symbols of currencies of different countries. Okay, so let's move to the another one. So here we have little story of whom? Chahat. Okay, so Chahat lives with her parents in a village. Chahat कहाँ रहती है? With her parents in a village in Rajasthan. Okay, राजस्थान के एक विलेज में चाहत रहती है with her parents. Her father, Phul Singh, and mother, Ratna, are potters. They are potters. See, they are making pots now. So they are potters. If the so they are talking. So let's see what they are talking. If the cost of one small ball is 5 rupees, then the cost of 7 such ball will be. क्या होगा अगर एक स्मॉल बाउल की कॉस्ट है 5 रुपीज़, तो 7 सच बाउल्स की कितनी हो जाएगी? सो देर विल बी वेरी इजी मैथड, I'll tell you. See, one this is one bowl, so we'll write here one bowl costs how many? 5 rupees. So 7 bowl costs how much? So here you can see that 5 multiplied by 1. Okay, so because there is one bowl, so we have written 5 multiplied by 1, that is 5. So एक bowl हमें कितने का पड़ता है? 5 rupees का. So same thing, there are 7 bowls ना, so we'll write 7 bowls multiplied by how much? कितने की cost थी उसकी? 5 rupees की थी. So how much we have to just multiply? 7 5s are 35. So 5 bowls की कितनी हो जाएगी? 35. So there is a little method, उसमें आपने just you have to multiply the number of bowls to the cost of the bowl. Okay. Now let's see the next one. Potters are people who makes items such as diyas, vases, pots, bowls, mugs and plates using clay. The items are then hardened by the heating. Okay, heat करके फिर उनको hard किया जाता है. पहले वो clay से बनाते हैं, then उनको hard किया जाता है. Okay, so let's see combination of notes and coins. Okay. चाहत's parents earn their livelihood by selling clay pots. वो लोग क्या करते थे? clay pots को बेच के अपना गुजारा करते थे. On Sundays, चाहत help her parents in the business by keeping a record of items sold. She also records the notes and the coins given by the buyers to her parents. Today is Sunday. Chahat makes a table of the item her parents have sold till afternoon. Okay, till afternoon उन्होंने क्या सेलिंग करी है वो उन्होंने यहाँ पे मेंशन किया है. सो लेट्स सी नेम ऑफ द आइटम्स. तो आइटम्स क्या है उनके पास? 7 small clay pots, that is of 70 rupees. Okay, so ये कैसा हुआ? 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 50 पैसा 50 पैसा. Okay, so 50 rupees plus 10 rupees, that is how much? That is 60 rupees. Okay, then 5 rupees plus 2 rupees, that is 7 plus 2 8 9 and 50 paisa gives 1 rupee. Okay, it makes 1 rupee. So कितना हो गया? 1 plus 2 that is 3 3 plus 2 that is 5 5 plus 5 10 10 plus 10 20 20 plus 50 that is 70. So ये था उनके एक स्मॉल क्ले का जो पॉट था उसकी प्राइस. देन देर इज earthen pot. See, this is earthen pot for ₹90. So there is 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 and the total goes to 90 rupees. Okay, then there is a flower pot that is also for the 90. So they got 50 rupees, 20 rupees and 20 rupees note. Okay, then there is a pencil holder, so it costs 175. So there is 100 rupee note, there is 50 rupee note, there is 10 rupee note and there is again 10 rupees note, 2 rupees and 1 rupees. Okay, you have to calculate. So the total comes 175. Now there is a long neck jars that cost 480 rupees. So here we have 200 rupees note, 200 rupees note, then 50 rupees note, then 20 rupees note and 10 rupees coin. So the total comes to 480. Okay, so this will be the earning of their day till lunch. While going through the table, Chahat notices that the two buyers paid 90 using 2 different combinations. है ना, हमने देखी 90 दो जगह पे पे कर रखे थे, but there are different combinations for that. Okay, she also notices that the buyer who bought clay pots gave 2 coins of 50 paisa instead of 1 rupees. अब एक बायर ने ऐसा भी किया था ना कि उन्होंने 50 पैसे के 2 क्या दिए थे, कॉइन्स दिए थे इंस्टेड ऑफ 1 रुपी, है ना, बिकॉज 50 पैसा मेक्स 1 रुपी कॉइन. ओके. चाहत गेट कन्फ्यूज एंड आस्क हर मदर अबाउट इट. उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से आस्क किया. हर मदर एक्सप्लेन्स टू हर दैट द रुपी इज इक्वल टू 100 पैसा. 1 रुपी इज इक्वल्स टू what, 100 paisa. Okay, so 50 paisa plus 50 paisa is equals to 100 paisa and 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee. Okay, so I hope till this page you will do, and there is a little exercise that is 13.1. you can also do the questions related to the exercise. Okay, but the task is here, there is an activity. You have to go to some shop and buy few little things. Okay, and you have to make write the name of the thing, the cost of the thing, and the combination of the money you have presented or you have given to the shopkeeper. Okay, so आपको एक शॉप पे जाना है, आपको कुछ सामान खरीदना है, छोटा छोटा नॉर्मली जो आप घर पे खरीदते हो. देयर इज़ नथिंग स्पेशल कि आपको वही चीज़ लेनी है. ठीक है. देन यू हैव टू टेल द कॉम्बिनेशन के